What do you got here today, Carter?
NASCAR Monster Jam trucks.
Ooh, and you've got them on your big 40-year anniversary garage Monster Jam.
Here he is.
Where'd you get all this stuff? What'd you get it for?
Christmas.
Christmas.
Christmas was yesterday.
Yes.
Doing Dalmatian.
All right, here we go. Is this series 1 or series 2?
Series 1.
Okay. Tough packaging a little bit.
Yeah, of course they would. Of course Spinmaster would do this. Oh.
Make it more anticipating. Oh my gosh.
Let's
These
look
are
at the
so
truck.
cool. Look at that red chassis. And it even has the white DKT tires.
Plonk.
Oh my. Wow. It's got the Dalmatian spots, the red words.
Let's see if we can.
Oh, it fits on the garage. That's awesome. Oh, who's that up there? Right there.
Captain Black.
Captain Black.
That's full charge.
Came with that, what is it, Pirate's Curse?
Captain
Or
Black.
Captain's Curse, sorry. My bad. What's this one here?
Logo.
Ooh.
One of your favorite stuff.
Yes, I love El Toro Loco. It really is my favorite. Ooh. Do you remember how long it took us just to even find an El Toro Loco?
What?
It was a long time before we got just a normal one. Look at that car.
The bullhorn, the ring,
Wow.
flames.
Oh.
Oh, Monster Jam symbol on the back of it.
Oh yeah, here, let me see. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh yeah. Where's the flames? Show me the flames.
Right there.
Oh, those flames on the side.
And right there.
The bull rings.
Just put them.
Okay, so far, which one's your favorite?
Right to look.
El Toro Loco. Me too, but the Dalmatian really is cool. Oh, he's trying to open it. He's like, let me open it.
I just love animals. And a black
So
star
this
with
is-
animals.
Yeah, because they're kind of cool. Save the best for last, though. Is Gravedigger
Yeah,
your
because-
favorite?
No, he's just a rare.
Oh, really? Okay.
I always need to do this right here. I think that kind of helps. to
Trying
do
to
it.
pull that corner right there. Oh, yeah. There you go. You're right.
It helps.
Yeah, it does.
Where's the accessory?
No accessory. I think they did away with the accessories and the posters, actually. Oh, wow. That Gravedigger is so cool.
Dr. Monk.
That car is awesome. Gravedigger is probably definitely my favorite of the three with the car, but I like the El Toro Loco truck better. Those look awesome up there, Carter. Ooh, oh, almost. Here, let me
Excuse
try to
me.
move This
Full
one.
charge.
Oh, just a little bit maybe. There we go. Now you got more room for sure. Let them go down. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Wow.
Thanks, Grab. Watch our video. Bye.